When somebody tries to help you, what do you say?
Do you notice anything different?
No, sorry. What is it?
I organized your desk while you were gone.
You organized my desk?
Yeah, it's so much cleaner now. You can get more work done.
What do you say? You're right. It is so clean now. You're such a big help. Thanks. What do you say? Why would you do that? This isn't how I like it. You're no help at all. A or B? What's your choice? When someone helps you, you can say, "You are such a big help." You are such a big help. This is the present tense, so use it when the person just helped you or helps you regularly. The past tense is, you were such a big help. This means they helped you in the past, but not anymore. You can also focus on the action and say, it's such a big help. It's such a big help. This means that what they did is very helpful. Again, you can make this past tense. It was such a big help. This means it helped you in the past. You can also use the adjective helpful. In the present tense, you can say, you are helpful. It is helpful. In the past tense, you can say, you were helpful. It was helpful. When someone tries to help but isn't helpful, you can say, you are no help at all. You are no help at all. This means what they just did or continue to do isn't helpful for you. This expression shows your anger and frustration, so it can hurt the listener's feelings. You can make it past tense and say, you were no help at all. You can also change the expression to focus on the action. It's no help at all. It's no help at all. This is less likely to hurt the listener's feelings since you're focusing on the action. The past tense is, it was no help at all. A final good expression is, it is not very helpful, or it was not very helpful. It's not very helpful. It was not very helpful. This is another polite way to say the action or thing is not helpful. If you want to be more direct and aggressive, say, you are not very helpful. You were not very helpful.